Hey, welcome back to your cariboudatascience channel. Before we go on with the regular scheduled program, I want to briefly show you how easy it is to share a video on Facebook and Twitter. How easy it is for you to share my video on Facebook and Twitter. Okay, so what you do is you come down here. Let's go down the Caribou Data Science channel, and let's just share the report for Ohio. Okay, so pull up the video you want to share. Click on the share button. Click on Facebook. And as it says here, easy as pie to share this video on Facebook. And that's all it takes. But you say, well, what about Twitter? Well, let's try Twitter. And there you have it. Posted posted to Twitter and Facebook. Like I say, and that's all there is to it. Okay, so get on it now. So let's get on with the regular scheduled program. Welcome back, Brazil, to your Caribou Data Science channel. Before we get started, I have one favor to ask. That's that you click on that share button and share this video with you on Facebook and Twitter today. Also, be sure to come back on Sunday. In addition to the daily numbers, we'll be doing a COVID-19 vaccine rollout report. Okay, and today is Sunday, so we're going to start with that rollout report first of all. Okay, that's as far as this report. Let's take a look at the COVID-19 vaccine rollout data for your country of Brazil today. Okay, so what you can see is Brazil, you have administered a total of 71.4 million doses of vaccine so far. Of those, 48.5 million have received one dose. And 22.8 million have received the full dosage. If you look back down here, you can see that 22.5% of the people received at least one dose, but only 10.6% of the population have received the full dosage so far. So that's part one of our reports today. Let's just come back over here and do our daily COVID-19 analysis here now. Okay, so let's go ahead and run this now, the daily number for Brazil. Okay, Brazil, currently you've had about 16.9 million cases, 472,531 deaths. And here's part of the issue here. You see that there's a very distinct stair-step pattern to your cases. And unfortunately, the trend is clearly upward also, okay? Because it's not dropped below any of these numbers here right now. But the good news is deaths are declining from a 7-day high of 2,994 all the way down to an average 7-day average of 1,744 deaths. Okay, you can see the pretty clear pattern here as far as weekly cases. And the good news, of course, is this right here. This weekly deaths is declining. Okay, monthly cases and monthly deaths. So this concludes your report for Brazil for today. Thanks so much for stopping by. Hey, but don't forget to before you go, don't forget to click that share button and share this video on your Facebook and your Twitter accounts today. Thanks so much, Brazil. We'll catch you tomorrow with a new report.